I have loved.
So this is a poem called Red Light, and it was inspired when I was walking through the red light district, and got me thinking about all the ways that prostitution has played out in history of women. In a shop window of a city tenement, a soft-eyed marionette sways in a slow and purchased dance. She dances to the deficit of strangers who come with hearts empty when they are not full of loathing. She dances for the flinted grin of her owner, almost human on his hind legs as he waits for his cup. And she dances for me, the street efficient around us, the birds incessant on the window ledge. It is an old song she moves to. It is the song of our mothers and their mothers before them, who danced dumb to the same tin drum, the paints long faded in their smiles. It is a song of light surrendered for little price to peddlers of dreams and dark nights. It is a song of wings that lie heavy with unlived flight, in frozen rages, in gilded cages, newly crowned and the less without civilizing. It is a song of the stillborn and the drowned at birth, and tiny bones broken terribly along the fault lines of history. It is a song of the places of omission and the places of commission, passed down through law and generational transmission. It is a song of the holy textbooks that have spoken more for the land and driven out more souls than were ever awoken. But though she is lost, her chance lies in her defeat. He too is lost, and more seriously, for he would own the soul of another and break it for his food. Unable to see the game that holds him, he holds to the game. As much a puppet as she, but he believes he is winning. For each action contains its equal and opposite reaction, and with each choice events are set in motion, to play out and return in perfect oscillation. The scales are already tipped, and the hourglass has kept all of the minutes. The electric is on the air already, and something in it, transmissions of wave riders, coming through in anything but logic, tipping over the smooth curve of time and space, to call to the mistaken and the rejected, to call to the broken and the wretched, to call us down into the unknown of our aloneness, to edge into the darkness where we must stay until we learn to see. It is slow work, only the lived hour can overcome it. But there are those who stay close, keep watch, as we tend to the bones that stoke the senses, and summon our souls from the quick and the ashes. And when it is done, we can return, with instincts recovered, while taming unlearned. And we bring songs then, as old as earth, and they are songs of dark nights and the way back to equivalent light. And we dance then like fire on water, for all our sons and for all our daughters. And for those who choose to stay in the game, they will learn in time. We do not get to make the world on a whim. Consequences like starlight. It may reach long, but it always reaches in direct reckoning to life. And when we are done, we can return, with instincts recovered, our training unlearned. And we bring songs then, as old as earth. And they are songs of dark nights, and the way back to equivalent light. And we dance then, like fire on water, for all our sons, and for all our daughters. And for those who choose to stay in the game, they will learn in time. We do not get to make the world on a whim. Consequence is like starlight. It may reach long, but it always reaches in direct reckoning to life.